students. Now today in computer we are just going to tell about some features of computer. So let's start. The topic is features of computer. Students, here is a diagram for you. So just look at here. Characteristics of computer. Speed, automatic, accuracy, reliability, memory, logical. Students, these are some important features of computer. First is speed. So I just want to tell you some explanation about these features. What actually they are. Speed. Computer have very fast speed. Next, automatic. Computer can run automatically also. I think you have seen some system in the market, laptop, palm top, touchpads. So these type of things, Androids. So these type of machines can run automatically also, and some by using of manually. Now next is accuracy. Computer has proper accuracy also. If we are giving some instructions, so computer gives us result in proper accurate. Now next is reliability. Computer has reliability. We can trust on it. Now next is memory. Computer has huge amount of memory or space. We can store large amount of data on it. And next is logical. So these type of some options or features computer has. With the use of this, computer can run very fast, very effective and reliable. Now next is limitations of computer. So these are the features. Now next is limitations of computer. Students, as you know that don't know what is that actually. So but computer, if we are given the instructions, you have to add these numbers. So computer can add these numbers in a simple form and like this. So computer knows कि user instruct me, you have to add this number. Now we have get this answer. So computer, I am just telling about it depends on user's input. Now next is computer have no imagination. No. Computer has no imagination. Means as a human being we see many things or we thought some things. Suppose teacher gives me a report, you have to present on next week or tomorrow. So we will see many things in our mind or we will look forward those things related. But computer have no imaginations. If we instruct, you have to do or it has to be complete at any cost. So it maybe it works on that. So this is the limitation. It cannot think. It cannot work by own. So that's why I'm saying it has no imaginations, no emotions. Now next is cannot detect errors in logic. Cannot detect error in logic. See students, if we are doing something wrong on the computer, so computer reply me as a false information. Suppose we are just writing some spelling, so computer can tell me this is the wrong things. How we can find the things? We can easily see the things by suppose we have I just noted down something on the system. Suppose I have noted down a spelling of school like this. Because we don't know the school spelling, so I just noted down this spelling in the system and computer. When I instruct the computer, so computer gives me the instructions or whatever as a result. So computer, what computer can do? Computer underline this word in a green or red wavy lines. So we feel that oh, it is some problem or it is not good or not wrong. It is a wrong. So that's why we feel that this thing is not be clear. So these type of things computer can easily capture and it can gives me the result. Suppose it is the wrong or right. Now next is, so that's why I am saying computer cannot detect error in logic. We have to find out the things if it is true or false. Now next, cannot take its own decision. Computer cannot take own decision. Computer cannot take its own decision. As a human, we can take our own decision. Suppose we have to do this thing only. I am not able to do school or I am not able to do writing right now. So as a human, we can take any decision by own. But computer, because it is a machine, so it cannot take its own decision. Because machine cannot do anything by its own. Now next is computer has no idea. data, some important things on the system. That's why computer runs according to that thing. But it has no emotions or not, no IQ, no feelings. Only it runs by the instructions of the user. Next, 6 number is no feelings. Computer has no feelings. As a human, we can laugh, we can cry, we can do or we feel hungry. We have emotions but computer, it is a machine like, so it has no emotions, no feelings. It cannot see anything like human, so it cannot be feel like same. So students, these are some limitations which I told you. You have to look this, you have to learn, and this is the some features of computer. Computer means system can perform by these all features. Understood? Okay then. Thank you. Next session we will discuss later.